Hey there, guys. I thought I would create a series of short tutorials on how to each step of creating a Google Classroom. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Drive. And once you're in your Drive, you can go up to this waffle right here, and all of the Google apps will pop up. And so you want to just scroll down, and you'll keep scrolling down until you get to Classroom. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and it will bring you to Google Classroom. You do need to be signed into your school account. Okay, and so the first thing that you're going to want to do is create a new class if you haven't already done that. So basically all you're going to do is go up here to the create or join a class. I'm going to click on that, and I want to create a class, okay, as a teacher. So I'm going to create the class. My class name for this is going to be Practice Classroom. Okay, I'm going to say it's going to be section 2, subject Google room. I'm just going to give it a room number. There we go. Room 101. Create. So once you've done that, that was very simple. That's all I had to do. One of the ways that you can invite students, it's very simple, is that you will have a class code. And so you can send this class code to your kids, and they will be able to log in to your Google Classroom. Let's see here. So click that. And another way is that you can also add students by going up to people and simply adding students' names. So you type their name, and so it will either pull up stuff that's already there, or you can type in their email address, and then that will add them in. And so if you are needing email addresses, you can go ahead and reach out to us. If you want to do it through the class code, that may be a simpler option for our littles in kinder and first grade. But that is how you initially add students to your classroom.